My name's Tyler Shaw and I'm the parts manager here at River Valley Tractor. I got into parts because I like to problem solve, and I felt like in this business that was the best way I could actually do that. I'm the first line of a customer's problem and I'm the face that they see when they need help. From the hard stuff to the easy stuff, changing the old spark plugs, air filters. We cover them from, the basics of servicing all the way to the in-depth tearing a tractor apart. We're here to provide the support that they need for the issues that they're having. My favorite thing about what I do every day is the people. I love, interacting with people on a daily basis, the people I work with and our customers. We have streamlined big changes and we've got a new name, a new face, and a better guarantee. Come give us a shot. Let us introduce you to our family and let us take care of you for years to come.